outside in the snow. So yesterday, a lot of snow came, like morning to night, a lot. So this is how deep it is. Oh my God, so deep. Wait, look at that, okay? And it's so deep that you can't even run or walk. So it's so cold. But the only thing I'm not wearing jacket is because the weather is hot. There's so much sun coming and the snow is cold. And I'm sitting in it. So yeah. That's nice. See there? It says love. So it's okay if I get wet. It's very okay. It's okay if I get wet, so and you want to feel some. So my jacket. And this it's so snowy, but now the snow has stopped.